a student from class 8 from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Teju. Today I am standing over here to present a book introduction in front of you all. So the book which I am going to introduce is The Habit of Winning. The author of this book is Prakash Iyer, one of the most successful and popular novelists of our time. He is passionate about cricket and people. He is a trained leadership coach and also a motivational speaker. He is from Pune, Maharashtra. He wrote many other books such as The Secret of Leadership. But this book, The Habit of Winning, is a book in which we can learn a lot of things. When we are in problems, we can find solution in this book. This book teaches us about the bringing out the leadership within us. We may not lead many big companies or salespersons, employees, but we lead our own life. So we are the leaders. So in this book, I learned a lot of things. In this book, there are many contents, such as some of the contents which help me in day-to-day life to develop leadership quality within me are such as visions and goals, perseverance, winning within teams, the winner's way, taking action. The most effective way to win a competition is taking action. If we do not take action, then we may not win the competition. In this book, I also learned that we should help the leaders within us to come outside and to show the leadership for all. In this book, there are stories from low caste peoples to high caste peoples. In this book, there are stories for life lessons from rabbits, sharks, butterflies, kites, and balloons. There are also life lessons from the small lift operators and small salespersons. But all the life lessons which we learn are very much valuable for us. This book brought a lot of positivity within me. The truth we can find in this book. The Prakash Iyer he's also a great inspiration for all of us because he was also selling shops in roads and all. But now he is currently the managing director of Kimberly Clark Lever. And we can see that how much success he has gained in his life from this book. Thank you.